Now, the next thing you will learn is to transpose the table so that we may better analyze the relevant information given in these financial statements. All right, to do that, you have to go to Data, and there's a section that says Get and Transform. You go to From Table, and there you will create a separate window that will show you exactly the same table as before. Yeah, like this. So these are identical tables. And now here, if we wanted to transpose a table, we first have to do something else. So go to Transform, and you see this table section, right? Here, you click this drop-down key that says Use First Row as Headers, right? You click it and choose Use Headers as First Row. There you go. And a different column heading has just been created. These are just for temporary reasons, like dummy headings. And then now you're ready to transpose the table. So why don't you go to Transpose button, click it, and the transposing has just been performed. So now your original column headings, which were the dates, have been created as a new column, and your original, like column 1, which are the names of the items, they are your new headings, right? So here, to just get rid of the dummy headings, you go back to Use First Row as Headers, and now click Use First Row as Headers. And the dummy heading has just... The next thing you will want to do is to make Excel correctly recognize the data type. So, for example, here, if you see this icon here, what it means is that Excel is recognizing date as text data, text column, but date is a date data, right? So if you wanted to change the data type, you would have to click the column and right click, and another dialog box will show up. Then go to Change Type and select Date. And do you see the change that has been just done? So the icon has just changed it to calendar. It means that the date is now correctly recognized as date data. And also, sales and all these other columns, they are actually numbers, right? Not text data. So if you wanted to change everything else as well, you just click everything, just choose every column that you have, and right click, go to Change Type, and you will want decimal numbers, right? So you click it, and now the numbers are correctly recognized as numbers as well. Now that you're done with transposing and creating another table, why don't you change the name of this new table in the query, say transposed IS, and go back to home and just click close and load. And okay, so you have a newly transposed table in a separate spreadsheet, and also Excel shows you the query that you worked on.